Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply same folder to all clips at once on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have imported some clips to my InShot project. As you can see that there are 3 video clips on my InShot project, and if you want to apply same folder to all clips, we can tap on the folder option, then tap on the folder option again, and you're going to select a folder you would like to apply to your clips. And let's say we're going to apply dark folder. Tap on the dark folder. Then if you want to apply this dark folder to all your clips, you can simply tap on this double check mark button, then tap on apply to all. Okay, now this filter has been applied to all the clips on this InShot project, and just click on this checkmark button after you are done. Okay, and here is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply same folder to all clips at once on InShot application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.